That's the big question. That's the elephant in the room, as we say. There are several ways to do it. First of all, the best way to start is to communicate within the family and the business, and to organize this communication in a way that everybody can talk, that everybody can listen, and that there's transparent communication and information that flows within the family. The second aspect is that you can look at the governance of the business, but you also should look at the governance of the family and treat the governance of the family as its own entity and start to work on that. And it takes time, but there are many schools, consultant advisors, network that can help family business learn about that so they can find their own solution, because each family business has to find its own solution depending on its environment, on its business, on its genogram, on its family trees. Well, that's a good question. I think there's not one solution. Again, back to what I said earlier, I think each family has to find its own solution. I think the process of establishing a family constitution is more important than the document at the end of the day. So I would focus more on the process, making sure that each member of the family is around the table, that there's planning in the way the family constitution is built, that everyone has the possibility to say something, the concept of fair process. Everyone can speak up, but at the end of the day, when the decision is taken, that everyone can own the decision, even if you don't agree. But at least you have the feeling that you were able to say what you wanted to say, and then you can come with the majority and own that new constitution. So it's about patience, it's about taking time, it's about organizing the communication, it's about looking for help and support outside of the family, and then making sure that once the constitution has been signed and implemented, that you get ready to make it evolve, because with the new generations coming, they obviously want their own changes. About succession planning, I would say start now. It's never too early to start talking about succession planning, and even if you have the impression that everything works well, just make sure that you continue the conversation and that you share your own values with your new generation, and that you involve them in the future of the company and the business.